got a full blue sky ahead of us, and I'm going on a walk while I wait for the oatmeal to, settle. You hear the birds?
Run.
Shake. Good boy. Other paw. What a good boy. Alright, I felt like I did enough stressing, so now I'm playing GeoGuessr. I think this is somewhere in Europe. Price is in this store today. I think this is somewhere in Britain. Dude. Okay, it's over. I can't figure this out. I don't think this is Edinburgh. Oh, what is this? Okay, not too bad. Damn, dude, this lighting is nuts. I just woke up. It is 6:58. I've done my first 2 headspace modules for today. I have a busy day today, so I'm not gonna do any more than that. I really love the morning. I have a big presentation to finish today, and also practice presenting today. Let's get started with this day. Hello. So I just finished doing some advising with my academic advisor. I have 3, by the way, because I'm double majoring and single minoring. The biggest issue that I discovered today is that my registration time was actually yesterday. So I'm kind of late to the game, but it's okay because I am registering for my senior year, so I get like priority. Oh god. But like, I just wasn't ready to decide what my classes were gonna be yet. And I was gonna spend all this morning time on doing my presentation, but now I gotta figure out what to do for my registration. So I'm making myself a matcha to like really get my go-go juice going, and yeah. Very nice. Alright, I'm gonna try to get this done before 10:30. It is 9:54 a.m. right now, and I'd rather be working on my work and finishing my presentation. So, with that being said, let's get to work, why don't we? Okay, it is like an hour later, and I did a drink change. I finished web registration. You know, I was lamenting about how web registration is the worst, but that just means that successfully accomplishing and finishing web registration is the best feeling ever. It was nice because like I got to start thinking about what it's gonna be like to be on campus again next year, and that just got me really excited. So I don't know, I'm like happy or something. Like just 8:30 a.m. but I think it'll be worth it because the professor has really good reviews on Rate My Professor. Honestly, like all of my professors this semester have quite good reviews, and that makes me really excited. You know, of course, I'm going to USC. I want to make the most of my money. I don't want to just take like easy A classes with mediocre professors. I want to take easy A classes with good professors. Yeah, I don't know. I'm a nerd. I like learning, and this makes me happy. Happy enough to somewhat overcome the pain of paying for tuition, but anyway, it's time to get back to working on my presentation, so. All right, I've finished class and I've decided that it was stressful enough that I should get to chill out with some of these TikTok frozen blueberries, and I'm pairing it with some Among Us. Dude, I don't even know how, but I spent like 2+ hours fiddling with and practicing a 5 to 10 minute presentation. I am so parched and so tired, and it is past my bedtime at nearly 11 p.m. So, bro, I will see you tomorrow. The airship is coming out tomorrow, and I'm so excited about it. So this presentation that I'd spent a lot of time like preparing for, kind of obsessing over, losing my voice over, it went well. I didn't give the most fluid presentation that I've ever given, but I mean, okay, not that it's a race or anything, although academics kind of is, but I realized that I actually came really over-prepared compared to other people, and I was just like, oh my god, so all that time that I put into this, like I kind of didn't need to. But you know, it's okay. I think that I made a good presentation, and that's what matters, right?
So, we're going to start standing up. Coming to the front of your mat.
2, 3, 4.
Also managed to get everyone to play like 2 rounds of the airship with me. I am honestly not the greatest imposter. I used to be on like such a grind to try to be a better imposter, and I kept like watching people like 5-Up and Disguise Toast and stuff who were like really good imposters, and kept like trying to study up on how to be a better imposter, but I think ultimately that just put a lot of stress on me. I got imposter on the airship and made a really terrible kill, but like one of my friends had mercy on me, so I lived to see the end.